Hey guys, you are most welcome on my YouTube channel, Koji Study.
And I say, hey, hey, live it like we're ready, Kate. Say, hey, hey, live it like we're ready. And I say, hey, live it like we're ready, Kate. Say, hey, live it like we're ready.
Lawrence Kohlberg, Moral Development. Today we are going to talk about on this topic. And in this topic, we will be discussing the 6 stages concerned with justice. Being as a teacher, I know the importance of this topic. This is a very important topic if you want to be a teacher. That's why this topic is asked in your CTED exam, because it is very important to know why a student does something and what are the reasons behind that. If you know the 6 stages of moral development, definitely you will get some hints why the student is doing that. So first of all, I would like to tell you a story what Lawrence Kohlberg told to justify his theory. So there was a guy named Hinge, and he called it means the Lawrence Kohlberg called it Hinge dilemma. And dilemma means the word dilemma is means the state of being in confusion. All right. So there was a woman was near death from a special kind of cancer. She was wife of Hinge. Now there was a problem that Hinge didn't have enough money to get the medicine, but the druggist asked him lots of money, near about as Lawrence Kohlberg wrote, $2,000. He was asking. Now there are some obvious questions to discuss, like what should Haynes do? Now, there are different conditions of his life that what should he do. Now, the first one is stage one, punishment and obedience. Now, first is he should not steal the drug. All right, there is the first condition. Why? They behind in the stage one there is punishment and obedience, means there is punishment, that's why I am obedient. All right, I will sorry, which means he is a mean bad person if he is stealing drug. All right, second, he should steal the drug because it is only worth $200, and Hinge had even offered to pay and wouldn't steal anything else. So this is the first stage when somebody thinks about punishment, like your student is there and he is not doing anything wrong because he is thinking about punishment. All right, he is in stage first. Let's talk about the second stage. Second stage tells reward and self-interest. So here the same thing, if a student is doing something for reward, okay, he saw someone that he is getting rewarded, he'll be motivated to do, means the student is in second stage, and this stage is called reward and self-interest. Let's see the stage 3, conformity, good boy, nice girl. So here, so Hinge should not steal the drug, means or any student should not do anything wrong because that is bad, and he is not a criminal because he knows that. All right, and and if he did that, all right, and you couldn't catch that student, means you cannot blame him then. Now what should he do now? They in the next uh, wait please. Okay, now stage 4 we have law and order. Hinge or anybody should not steal the drug, or anybody should not do anything wrong because law prohibits stealing, it's illegal. And or Hinge should steal the drug, means there is another option. There are two options. So if he should take the punishment for the crime and pay the druggist. All right, so actions have their consequences. So if somebody is thinking about the consequences, that something might happen with me, and then he's not doing that wrong, he is in stage 4. Now the next one is next stage 5 tells that human rights. Now here the scientist has a right to fair competition. Means human rights means if Haynes is not stealing the drug and he's thinking about the scientist or the druggist who has the that drug, and he's asking for lots of money for the drug, and the hinge the person is thinking that it is right. Definitely that person is then hinge is or the student is in fifth stage. Now let's see the sixth stage. Now it is called universal human right ethics. So anybody means everybody should not steal the drug. Others may need the drug just as badly as their lives are equally significant, or Hinge should steal the drug. So if Hinge is thinking about universal human ethics, means the stealing is bad, and he's thinking about the people of the whole universe, so means he is in sixth stage. So there is the description. Now we will have a short look over these all stages. So for the first level, Lawrence Kohlberg has divided his theory moral development in three parts. First is called pre-conventional morality, second is conventional morality, and third is post-conventional morality. Here the first level is called right or wrong determined by rewards or punishment. All right. So usually, if you have small kids, like you are teaching to fifth class students, so they don't think abstract things. They just go for rewards and punishment. If you punish them, they will not do that again. If you reward them, they will do that. All right. This is the practical knowledge of teaching in classroom. The second level is called conventional morality. In views of others matter, avoidance of blame, seeking approval. The seeking approval is important because this is related to neuroadolescence age, means the age between for it is also called teen age. So in teen age, students usually are governed by seeking approval term, because they are thinking that whatever if their friends or peer groups says it's okay, that you look cool, or you now if somebody does something wrong and his friends tell you look cool by doing so, they start doing the thing. So we need to understand while teaching our students that why the student is doing so. We should take care of their peers as well. So peer group, right? So the friends and others. Next thing is post-conventional theory. Here, abstract notions. Abstract means the things we cannot touch. So here, if a student is thinking the abstract consequences, all right, this is the this usually happens to the youth, means who has crossed his teenage. So usually, so justice, right of others can override obedience laws and rules, means if somebody is thinking that other might need this thing, or uh, this is their rule and we are talking about justice, like if I'll do this that will harm that person, and I should not do this because this is avoidable in society. So in this case you are in level third. Got it? So in first stage, punishment or an obedience, whatever leads to punishment is wrong. That's the theory. Second is reward. They So the next stage is rewards. The right way to behave is way that is rewarded, means if we now what why this is asked in exam, again the same question, because the first level pre-conventional morality deals with the students up to fifth class or sixth class. If we will take the second level, this deals with the students who are in teenage and the post conventional morality if you are in university or in 11 12 students as well. So good intention in level second, good intentions behaving in ways that conform to good behavior. These are stage 4 obedience is to authority, importance of doing one's duty, like he should do or should steal because his wife is in hospital and she is going to die, so this is his duty. If he steals the drug, so this is his duty, that's why he's stealing. So he's in second level. And the fifth one, difference between moral and legal right, recognition that rules should sometimes be broken. Now sometimes abstract notions means about, you are talking about youth. Sometimes they take weird decisions, unusual decisions, because they are dealing with abstract notions. That time, individual principle of conscience, because you have your own conscience, and sometimes you cannot define the behavior why people are doing that. So this is the level 3 and abstract notion. So first is right and wrong, determined by reward and punishment. And second is called the good intention or bad intention, or you can say obedience to authority. And the third is means, I want to summarize it actually in a few lines. That now listen very carefully. In the first level, everything is visible. The student up to fifth class or in primary level, students don't think abstract, like what will happen 4 years later, what their plans will be. They'll just see the things and they will. That's why you see in classroom that if you give them stars, they become happy. The next thing is that view of others matters, means in a teenage, students start thinking about others. The third level is post-conventional morality. Here, people have their own conscience, they sometimes make their own rules and then they behave like that. Hope I have made these things clear. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. You can check out my English videos and maths section, science section and other sections too for your CTET preparation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please, please, there is red button for subscribe. Subscribe that. Bye bye. See you.
And I say, hey, hey, hey.